Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deploy a website from Replit step by step. If you've already created a website in Replit and want to publish it online, this tutorial will guide you through the complete process. First, open Replit and sign in to your account. From the home page, click Create Something New and choose Website. Give your project a name and let Replit create the website workspace. If Replit asks a few questions about your website, simply answer them or click Skip to continue. Once your website project is ready, click the Run button to make sure everything is working correctly. Wait for the preview to load, then check that your website opens without any errors. Now it's time to publish your website. If your Replit account includes the deployment feature, click the Deploy button at the top of the editor. Choose the recommended deployment option, review the settings if needed, and then click Deploy. Replit will build your project and publish it online. This may take a few moments. After the deployment is complete, Replit will generate a live website URL. Open the link in a new browser tab and test your website. Check the home page, navigation, buttons, and other features to make sure everything is working properly. If you make changes to your website later, simply save your project and deploy it again to update the live version. This keeps your website up to date with the latest changes. If you don't see the Deploy button, don't worry. Some Replit accounts or free plans may not include website deployment. In that case, you may need to upgrade your plan or use another hosting service to publish your website. And that's it. That's how you can deploy a website from Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Replit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.